We got the new Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Oh, that side is French. Loaded with vanilla cream filling.
Let me try one dry first. I think it tastes...
It tastes like Captain Crunch. Tastes like the copy Captain Crunch.
I think it tastes actually good.
Maybe it's the same people who make Captain Crunch. Like Quaker. General Mills.
Got the milk.
General Mills.
Oh God, it's hard when you're recording.
Do you think when they're wet it will change the flavor?
Yes.
Let me record you.
Yeah, recording. Make sure that little timer doesn't go out.
Oh, it's almost out. You have to hurry.
Great.